Another day and you feel so uninspired as to what to eat. Me too. But alas, our mortal flesh needs sustenance and the struggle continues on and on until either you make something horrible or get inspired and cook a phenomenal meal. Let me be that inspiration today. Hi beautiful people, my name is Alora and in today's video I have brought to you 6 recipes for 3 different meals to try out. All of these are vegan and delicious, most of them are healthy as well. Our recipes will be either written or linked in the description below. Besides the one I write down myself, the recipes do not belong to me. Now, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the breakfast idea, and of course, I am talking about porridge. In case you don't know, I am obsessed with porridge and I literally eat it every single day. This is not typical influencer marketing bullshit, I really do. Also, I have like 100 subscribers, so I can't even be considered an influencer, thank God. It consists of oats, chia or flax seeds, a scoop of vegan protein powder, and a teaspoon of cocoa powder with some salt. I just mix it with some plant milk and microwave it for 2 times 1 minute. Then, to finish it all off, I mix in 1 teaspoon of peanut butter and all the fresh fruit I have at home. Usually I take 1 banana, maybe a peach, blueberries, strawberries, etc. This dish is incredibly versatile as well as quick and easy to do. The seeds are rich in omega-3, the oats have lots of fiber and protein as well as whole carbs, which means no blood sugar crash after. In case you're craving something different, skip the cocoa powder and replace it with cinnamon, or just use different fruits to keep it interesting. I also like to use some coconut flakes on top. Then let's get to my new favorite soup recipe, which is also great for an immune system boost if you need it. This is a delicious ginger garlic miso soup with bell peppers for vitamin C, tofu for protein and nori for omega-3. The ginger, garlic and turmeric do not just taste great but have many health benefits. This is essentially a great vegan version of a chicken soup or bone broth. I know it might not look that appetizing, but it tastes great, I promise. Then if you are looking for lunch, maybe you could try your hand at making your own relatively quick pizza dough. You just mix the ingredients together, let it rise for 30 minutes and shape, put some tomato paste on it as well as veggies of preference, and in the oven it goes. I love it and greatly enjoy it without cheese, but you could totally sprinkle some vegan cheese on top though. This apple pie might not look the best, but it sure as hell tastes amazing. I used 6 rather old and wrinkly apples, cut them up, cooked them for a bit, then made the dough out of butter, flour, salt and sugar. I rested it in the fridge, then pre-baked the bottom layer. After that, it was time to mix a little bit of pudding powder to the apples and fill the pie. You can decorate the top however you want. Enjoy it with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream, none of which I had at home at the moment, sadly. The reason this looks pretty weird is just because the old wrinkly apples had a lower water percentage and didn't turn so mushy. Coming to the dinner recipes, I have 2 delicious stir fries for you. These can be served with rice, since I believe there are enough vegan pasta dishes out there. One is a bit more exotic, a sweet sour tofu dish with pineapple, carrots, bell pepper and onions. You just coat the tofu in starch and spices, cook until crispy, then fry the vegetables and pineapple. Lastly, you just cook the sauce until it thickens, then mix everything together, et voila! Serve with rice. The second stir fry is made with teriyaki sauce, although I ended up putting peanut butter on it, and I think it would taste really good with a tangy peanut butter sauce as well. Marinate and fry the tofu in some sauce, then stir fry some carrots, onions, peppers, green beans and broccoli. When they are still quite hot, put some sauce on top of them and a little cornstarch to make the water and sauce firm up. Mix in the tofu and enjoy with rice. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope I could inspire you to cook or bake for yourself. Like I said, recipes are in the description below. Feel free to comment down your thoughts and leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this and want to see more similar videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you all next week. Keep shining. It was Alora speaking. Bye!